Hey guys, I'm Luis. Welcome back to Mary Kay's YouTube channel. Today, we're going to be talking about the special edition MKMen Beard Oil. Why to use it, when to use it, and how to use it. So, why use a beard oil, you ask? Well, it is formulated as a living conditioner and is designed to replace the oils that you lose when you wash your beard. Did you know that when you wash your beard, you're stripping away not only dirt, but naturally occurring hydrating oils as well? That's why a beard oil is an essential step in your daily routine, and it takes only seconds to apply. Do you need to hear some other benefits? Here are some. So now, let's talk about when. Use it once a day after you get out of the shower and you're done cleansing your face. This will help bring back the oils that were stripped away when you washed your beard. Do you want to know what is unique about the special edition MKMen Beard Oil? Great question. It is formulated specifically for beards and facial hair. The invigorating peppermint scent is balanced perfectly with the hints of essential oils, making this formula ideal for those in search of a supremely refreshing beard oil blend. Alright, now how to use the special edition MKMen Beard Oil. First, place 3 to 4 drops into your hand. Rub your hands together and apply to your beard or mustache. Be sure to massage the oil into your beard, front to back, from the root to the tip. And make sure to get all the way down to the skin with your fingertips. If you have a long beard, use a brush or a comb to distribute evenly. As your beard grows, you may need to add a bit more to your routine. So now you're finally ready to take care of the beard you worked so hard for. To get yourself a bottle of the special edition MKMen Beard Oil, contact the Mary Kay Independent Beauty Consultant. Thank you for joining us. Drop a comment or question below, and make sure to subscribe.